We had a major storm come through here last night. And look, my pots are down. My tomato cages are still intact. But the whole pot fell over. See that? This fell over too last night in the storm. Nothing else seems to be damaged, but got to get this back up. Okay. So I got my pot back up. Now I've got to put my tomatoes back in. It doesn't look like I really lost a lot of my tomatoes, but as you can see, all of this is out from the actual cages, but the way I had them staked, they at least stayed in there. So now all I got to do is push them back down again.